Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making boho mirror ornaments with popsicle sticks and unicorn spit sparkling. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some boho mirror ornaments. Unicorn Spit Sparkling comes in a ton of different colors. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.